Hello students, here I am going to explain how to use Swayam platforms in our mobile phone. So first of all you need to search in Google Play Store. So open your Google Play Store and search in this search bar says Swayam, Swayam, Swayam. Then you can see a interface here, Swayam. So here I already installed it. So if you are not installed, it will show install such as. So you please install it, and after the downloading or after downloading the Swayam, you can see open. So click on the open Swayam. So here you can see Swayam. It is developed by Ministry of Human Resource Development Initiatives of Government of India. So one interface will come like this. See, weekly assignments, procured easy credit transfer, active local chapters, systematic okay. Do not show in future. Click on the do not show in future, then skip. So we need to register here for Swayam or continue as guest. Both you can do. If you want to register, you need to click on register, or if you are already registered, you can sign in here. Both are one tab. So click on the register. Here I am already registered, so I can log in easily. Means I can log in directly. So here yeah. So here three platforms are there for signing. Either we can sign up, or I can sign in using Facebook, Google, or Microsoft. Here I am using Google account for login. So after that you can sign in, or after you created your account, you can see an interface here, dashboard, badges, certificates, medals, etc. So here home button is available. Then this is our categories. See, management and commerce. You can click on management and commerce also. Then commerce management studies. I want to do commerce stream, so click on the commerce stream. You can see the GNO, NPT. These are the institute which is conducting the courses. So financial accounting, corporate tax plan, decision making under uncertainty, direct access. So I want to join for financial accounting. So click on the course, join. Because go to the course, it is shown that I have already enrolled that course in last week. So that is why it is showing go to the course. If we are taking new course, it will show that join. See, financial accounting, it is handled by Professor Sunil Kumar, Indira Gandhi National Open University. All the course related things you see here, course layout, then book preference, about the faculty, course certificates, everything we can see here. Summary. This is related to undergraduate program, so you can also apply. So if I join here, see, it will ask my name, phone number, email ID, which age group you belong to, country, profession. If you are student, you can see, you can click on student, or faculty. If you are teacher it is employed or other. Highest qualification. You can give your year of graduation, etc. Then click on the next. Are you a part of a Swayam local chapter? No. State, city, college name. If your college is listed here, you can say three. If it is not listed here, you can give other. Then you can give here SNGC. Commerce and management area, business department. If you are finance department, you can give finance. Commerce. Update and join. See, I have joined for the course. Previous digital marketing, that course I have already joined. That's why it's directly came into this interface. So after join, we can see week 1 practices, week 2, week 3, week 4. 4-week course it is. So week 1 we need to do nature and scope of the accounting. So by clicking the 3 lines, I can go to my courses. My courses. See, these courses I have enrolled. These are my courses I have enrolled. Financial accounting. I can click on financial accounting. See, now you can see go to the course because I have already enrolled this course. Week 1, nature and scope of accounting. Week 2, accounting process and rules. Week 3, accounting principles and standard. Then block 2, accounting progress means journal and ledger subsidiary. These are the criteria, means layout for the course. Week 15, 16, 18. But then go to the course. I can click nature and scope of the accounting. See, I will get the material, so I can study with this material on PDF available here. See, you can enlarge it. So one PDF will see. This is our study material. You can study. This is your week 1 study material. What are the nature and scope of accounting? If I am going to the digital marketing, which I have already enrolled, see digital marketing. Go to the course. Week 1. This is my module for week 1. So first one, introduction to digital marketing and its significant. I am clicking on that. So one video lecture will come. So here video lecture is available in that IGNOU course. PDF was available. That's why I said video lecture is there are 4 types: video lecturing, then PDF or study material, then other assessment test material, like that. So I can watch using the video. I can study using this video. This is video lecturing class. So week 2, week 3, we want to complete all this. After that, they will give assignments. Dashboard. These are my completed courses: innovation and best practices in education skill, online refresher course in management, ICT in teacher education, then ICT in teaching and learning. This course I have already completed. Here you can see upcoming or ongoing courses. Here it is completed courses. So this is the very simple it is. So you can also enroll with this information. You can search your whichever course you want. You can search here. For example, if you want management course, see management. Search on management. You can see a number of courses here: brand management, basics of event management. Then if I want to customer relationship management course, I click on this. Then just simply join and give your basic information, and you can continue learning through this platform. That's all.